What's up guys, today we are working on the 05 again, and since I have not done a video on the driver's side, this is a how-to on doing the driver's side CV shaft. Okay, so as with most repairs, first thing you're going to do is jack up and support the vehicle. Then we're going to remove the left front wheel because that's the side of the axle that we're doing. Next thing I'm going to do here is just going to be to remove the brakes. To do that, I'm just removing the caliper bridge to knuckle bolts on the back, which are 15mm bolts. And I'm going to leave the caliper, the bracket, and the pads all together and just sit them out of the way. But you do want to try to sit them on something or hang them by something other than the brake hose so that you don't accidentally damage the brake hose. With that out of the way, the rotor will just slip right off. Next thing we've got to do is remove the outer axle nut here, this hub nut. Once that's removed, make sure that the end of the axle moves freely. You may have to tap it with a hammer. Now pay attention to this special crescent pry bar that I've got here, because I got this specifically for doing axles. But the next thing you're going to do is loosen this lower nut on the lower ball joint. Hit it a few times to knock it loose, as you can see there where it moved. Then take the nut the rest of the way off. And you can use a long skinny pry bar through the hole in the lower control arm is an easy way to pry it down once you're ready to pry it out. Then just pull the hub out of the way and let the control arm back up. This will give you enough room to get the axle out of the end of the knuckle, which you can just do just like this. It will be a little tight. With that out of the way, it's time to get it out of the transmission, and that is where this special pry bar comes in handy. You're going to want to be fast and pop it quick to make it snap out of the ring. Then once you've gotten it loose from there, just support both sides and pull it straight out. Then we'll go back with the new axle, and same deal. The easiest way to get it to snap into the transmission is just one good, quick, hard shove. And you should feel it pop in, and if it's popped in all the way, you won't be able to pull it back out very easily. Then you're just going to pop it back into the knuckle. And once you've got it started in the knuckle, just pry down the lower control arm so that you can get the lower ball joint shaft back into the knuckle like this. Then just reassemble the brakes and make sure that you retorque everything appropriately. Make sure you tighten the lower control arm, ball joint nut. And that's it. Once you get the wheel back on, just remember to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds and then test drive and see if your issue went away. The one that I replaced here was due to a vibration that was on that left-hand side, so take that for what it's worth. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for hanging out till the end. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button down below. Drop me a comment, let me know what you thought, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you see the rest of my how-to videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.